Welcome to Echoes of Extinction.
Welcome, everyone, to a journey into the past to meet a creature that once thrived but now exists only in museums and memories. The Great Auk. This fascinating bird, often described as the original penguin of the North Atlantic, holds a poignant story of survival, exploitation, and ultimately, extinction. The Great Auk, Penguinius impennis, was a flightless seabird native to the North Atlantic. For millennia, it reigned as a skilled swimmer and diver, perfectly adapted to the cold, harsh environments it called home. Historical records and archaeological findings reveal its presence dating back thousands of years, with evidence of interaction with early human populations. Imagine a bird about 75 to 85 centimeters, 30 to 33 inches, tall, with black and white plumage, a powerful beak, and small, almost comically inadequate wings for flight. This was the Great Auk, a true marvel of evolution. The Great Auk's domain spanned the cold waters and rocky islands of the North Atlantic, from the coasts of eastern Canada and Greenland to Iceland, Norway, and the British Isles. These birds congregated in large colonies during breeding season. They favored isolated, rocky outcrops with easy access to the ocean, providing safety from land predators and ideal conditions for nesting. Think of windswept islands, crashing waves, and the constant calls of seabirds. This was the Great Auk's natural world. Sadly, the Great Auk's story takes a dark turn. The primary driver of its extinction was relentless hunting by humans. For centuries, these birds were exploited for their meat, eggs, feathers, and oil. As human populations grew and maritime travel expanded, the pressure on Great Auk populations intensified. Sailors and fishermen regularly killed auks for food, and their down feathers were highly valued. Habitat destruction. Human activity encroached upon the auk's breeding grounds. Lack of conservation. No measures were in place to protect the species from overexploitation. The last confirmed breeding pair was killed in Iceland in 1844, marking the official extinction of the Great Auk, a truly devastating loss. The extinction of the Great Auk had consequences that rippled through the North Atlantic ecosystem. As a significant predator of fish, its removal likely altered the balance of marine food webs. While the exact extent of these impacts is difficult to quantify, the loss of a keystone species like the Great Auk serves as a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of nature and the potential for human actions to disrupt ecological stability. It is also a stark reminder of the importance of conservation. The story of the Great Auk is a cautionary tale, a stark reminder of the devastating consequences of unchecked exploitation and the importance of conservation efforts. It highlights the vulnerability of species to human impact and underscores the need for responsible stewardship of our planet's biodiversity. Let the Great Auk's fate inspire us to learn from the past and work towards a future where extinction is no longer an acceptable outcome. As we face climate change and habitat loss, it's crucial to protect our planet's remaining wildlife. Join the movement to save our ecosystems and learn from the past. Subscribe, like, and share this video. Together, we can make a difference and inspire future generations to protect our planet. This bird primarily inhabited coastal regions of the North Atlantic, particularly in areas like Newfoundland, Iceland, and the British Isles. It was often found on rocky islands. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Echoes of Extinction.